Hello and welcome back. Today I'm out in the Yorkshire Dales off for another one of my little wild swims. As you can tell, it is beautiful weather for it. It is absolutely tipping it down with rain. It doesn't look like it's going to let up, but to be honest, it's not actually that cold, and I'm hoping the water will be in double digits today, at the very least 10 degrees or more, hopefully. But anyway, let's go check out this waterfall, guys. Okay, so that's my first swim of the day done, just about. There's one more thing I want to do before we go to the next location. So I'm here at swim location number 2. After the recent rainfall, this one's looking more flooded than the last one. The water's up, it's a funny colour. I wouldn't personally recommend getting in here, but I reckon it's doable. Let's have a look. Right here, there's a log and a ledge, and it puts you right in the current. I'm going to enter the water here, swim down, and hopefully be alright. Okay, I was half expecting that to be like a life and death situation. It's not actually as bad as it looks. It's really not bad. Right, so same plan as before. To the other side, see if I can swim through this current here and back to the camera, and I have an audience. The closer you get, the harder it hits you. Bloody hell.